After 4 years of using retinol, I have realized what works and what doesn't, and what are the common mistakes to avoid. If you're new to retinol skincare, this video will walk you through everything from how to start using retinol to the best product for beginners. Plus, I'll share some research-backed facts to help you feel more confident using it. So first, let's see why retinol works. Retinol is a vitamin A derivative that helps boost skin cell turnover, smooth fine lines, fades hyperpigmentation, and smooth skin texture. But this isn't just a skincare hype, there is actual science behind it. A 2006 study published in the journal Clinical Interventions in Aging found that topical retinoids significantly improve fine wrinkles, pigmentation, and skin roughness with long-term use. Now let me take you through my 4 years journey of using retinol and what I have learned from it. I have experimented with everything from low-strength formulas to encapsulated retinols to stronger 1% formulas. And keynotes here, starting too strong will give you irritation, peeling, breakouts. Point number 2, consistency beats concentration, so be consistent. Number 3, supporting products matter just as much as the retinol itself. So at this point, let me walk you through how to start using it and avoid the mistakes that I did. So we start with choosing the right retinol formulation. If you're new to retinol, start with lower concentration. Look for formulations with 0.25% to 0.3% retinol. Look for encapsulated or time-release formulas which release retinol slowly over time and significantly reduce the chance of irritation. If you have sensitive skin like mine, along with choosing a lower strength formula, also look for product labeled as gentle or formulated with soothing ingredients like niacinamide, ceramides, or peptides. Now that you have made up your mind to start using retinol and you have the right low-strength formula, here are 10 things that you should keep in mind before using it. Number 1, start slow. Use it 2 times a week to begin with. And if your skin handles it well, increase it to every other night. Studies show retinol irritation, which is often called as retinization, usually peaks in the first 2 to 4 weeks. Number 2, low strength first. Start with 0.1% or 0.3% retinol or retinaldehyde. Lower concentrations are still effective while minimizing irritation. Number 3, use a pea-sized amount. A little goes a long way. Using too much right at the beginning can cause redness and excessive peeling. Number 4, nighttime only. Retinol breaks down in sunlight and makes your skin more UV sensitive. Always use it at night and wear SPF the next day. According to American Academy of Dermatology, daily sunscreen use is critical while using retinol to avoid photosensitivity and sun damage. Number 5, apply on dry skin. According to Cleveland Clinic, you should wait for 10 to 15 minutes after cleansing. Damp skin increases absorption, which can make irritation worse. Number 6, pair with moisturizer. Try the retinoid sandwich method. You apply a moisturizer first, then apply the retinol and then seal everything in with a thick occlusive. This buffers your skin and reduces dryness or redness, especially helpful in the first few weeks. Once I started doing this, I saw a significant drop in irritation and redness. Number 7, avoid mixing with actives initially. Don't pair with AHAs, BHAs, vitamin C or benzoyl peroxide when starting. These combinations may lead to inflammation or over-exfoliation. And once your skin has built some tolerance over a period of 6 to 12 weeks, you may reintroduce actives, but one at a time. Number 8, use SPF daily. Study shows retinol increases sun sensitivity and risk of UV damage, so broad spectrum sunscreen is non-negotiable. Number 8, expect initial reaction. Mild dryness, peeling, or purging can occur in the first month. And remember, it's temporary as your skin adjusts. Number 9, pause if irritated. If you notice burning, flaking, or intense redness, scale back usage or completely stop for a few days to allow recovery. Number 10, avoid use after hair removal or peels. Now, shaving, waxing, or chemical exfoliants can leave your skin barrier compromised. And adding retinol on top may cause a stinging or more damage. Now, few product recommendations that I can make based on my personal experience and what looks like the best out there. Number 1, Bare Minerals Ageless 0.5% phytoretinol night concentrate. This one was one of the best performers for my skin. It's gentle, fragrance-free, and uses phytoretinol bakuchiol, which mimics the benefits of retinol without the harsh side effects. Great for dry or sensitive skin types. Banish Retinol plus Ceramide Serum. This is the one that I've introduced recently. It's very mild and non-irritating. The addition of ceramides helps protect the skin barrier, making it ideal for first-timers or those with sensitive skin prone to redness. The next one is the Ordinary Retinol in Squalene, 0.2% or 0.5%. Personally, this formula did not work for me because the squalene my skin does not take well. But it's a great budget-friendly option if your skin likes squalene. Start with the 0.2% and build up. The next one is CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum, widely recommended online for acne-prone and sensitive skin. It contains encapsulated retinol, ceramides, niacinamide, perfect for reducing texture and marks without disrupting your barrier. The next one is again very popular. Paula's Choice 0.3% retinol plus 2% bakuchiol treatment. Combines low-strength retinol with bakuchiol and peptides for enhanced results. Great for those transitioning to an intermediate level. So from my own experience and what studies show us, retinol can truly transform your skin, but only if you use it smartly. Take it slow, listen to your skin and be consistent. Trust me, after 4 years of trial and testing different brands, different formulations, I can say it's totally worth it. If you want to know the best moisturizers to pair with retinol, let me know in the comments. And if you've already started your retinol journey, let me know your experience in the comments. What worked for you, what didn't? And I will see you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.